What if we used 100% of our brain? You've heard the myth, humans only use 10% of their brain. The other 90% apparently just sitting there, twiddling its thumbs, waiting to unlock telekinesis, time travel, and the ability to fold fitted sheets. But here's the truth bomb. We already use 100% of our brain. Just not all at once, and not in the way sci-fi movies want you to believe. Every region of your brain has a job, whether it's processing images, storing memories, or deciding whether to eat one more slice of pizza at 2 a.m. Still, let's play with a fantasy. What if, and somehow, we could fully activate every neuron in our brain at once? Would we become godlike superhumans? Or just very dead? Activate everything. Imagine flipping the on switch for every brain cell simultaneously. Sounds powerful, right? But think of your brain like a computer. Using all your RAM and CPU at once isn't efficient. It's a meltdown. In real life, if all your neurons fired at once, you'd have a grand mal seizure. Your muscles would tense, consciousness would vanish, and you'd collapse like a Windows 95 machine opening too many tabs. So, using 100% of your brain at the same time is like trying to cook every dish in the kitchen using every appliance simultaneously. Chaos, smoke, possibly fire. Okay, but what if we used 100%? Effectively, let's tweak the question. What if we optimized brain usage, made every neuron super efficient, boosted memory, attention, creativity, problem solving, all without crashing the system? Now we're talking. You'd remember every name, every face, every embarrassing thing you've ever said at a party. You could do complex math in your head, like calculating your taxes without crying. You'd speak 12 languages and maybe even understand IKEA instructions. Your senses would be sharper. You'd notice subtle changes in people's tone, facial expressions, even the weather. You'd probably be amazing at poker and chess and awkward family dinners. The downsides of super brain power. But being a mega genius isn't all Nobel Prizes and superhero origin stories. You might experience sensory overload. With heightened perception and awareness, even a simple grocery store trip could feel like a Vegas casino on fast forward. Your brain would constantly be buzzing, analyzing, remembering, predicting. You'd never sleep, or relax, or forget your 7th grade crush rejecting you in front of everyone. Also, emotions would get weird. You might become so logical that human feelings seem inefficient. Empathy could fade. Or maybe it'd be the opposite. You'd feel everything all the time. Every sad news story, every hungry child, every animal shelter commercial, all hitting you like emotional tsunamis. Could we even handle it? Your skull isn't designed to house an ultra-powered brain. There are energy limits. Your brain already uses about 20% of your body's energy, even while you're just binge-watching Netflix. A fully optimized brain might need double or triple that. You need to eat like The Rock just to stay conscious. Plus, evolution shaped our brains to be good enough and not perfect. We're not computers, we're squishy, emotional creatures with limited bandwidth. Sometimes forgetting where you put your keys is just your brain's way of saying, I need a break, Karen. So, should we try? While using 100% of our brain won't unlock telepathy or give us Professor X powers, training our brains can still bring major benefits. Meditation improves focus. Learning new skills boosts neuroplasticity. Regular exercise improves memory and cognition. And yes, getting enough sleep actually makes you smarter. So maybe the real question isn't, what if we used 100% of our brain? But what if we just used our current brain a little better?